Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make homemade chocolate-covered strawberries, full guide. Wash and thoroughly dry your strawberries, then melt chocolate gently over low heat or a double boiler. Hold each berry by the stem, dip to coat evenly, and allow excess chocolate to drip back into the bowl. Place on parchment, add toppings if desired, and chill until set. I'll share simple tips for texture, storage, and presentation throughout this guide. Choose the right tools and ingredients before you begin to make the process smooth and enjoyable. Pick ripe, firm strawberries and trim any leaves as needed while keeping stems intact for dipping. Melt chocolate using a double boiler or low microwave bursts, stirring until smooth and glossy. Line a tray with parchment so berries won't stick, and arrange toppings nearby for quick finishing touches. These small preparations make the rest effortless and fun. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and more recipes. Quick recommendation: on another note, make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers I've been using. They're great for storing chocolate strawberries without spills. I'll drop the link and other deals in the description so you can check them out. Thanks for watching, and now let's get back to the video. Master a few simple dipping techniques to achieve professional-looking strawberries at home. Hold berries by the stem or use a toothpick, dip about 2/3 into the chocolate, and twist slightly as you lift to distribute coating evenly. Tap the fork on the bowl edge to remove drips, then rest each berry on parchment. If you want patterns, drizzle contrasting chocolate using a fork or small bag. Finish with toppings before chilling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.